Okay, so as you can see, this is this is Joshua, and this is my ALX final project. So the name of my application is HiMoi. So it's a social application where users can interact with each other, post events that they are planning, and then other users can view the events and then mark attendance. So without further ado, let's get right in. So this right here is the sign up. So as you can see, I have this collection HiMoi, which encapsulates all the possible routes and endpoints for our API. So we have the auth, we have the chat, we have the event. So I'll start with the auth. Obviously, I'll start with the sign up. So this is my email. This is the password test 1234. The full name, nickname, date of birth, and so on. So if I hit the sign up, it says OTP sent to mail. So what do we do? Let's go and check our mail. So I'm putting up my Gmail. So let's go to alright. So this is it. So this from HiMoi one time password. So your one time password, hi Joshua, this is your one time password. So 691571. So I copy it, I go to the verify account. So to verify the account, you put the email and then the OTP, and then I verify the account. So as far as it's successful, it gives me a token. So this token signifies that it has successfully that the OTP is successful and then the user has successfully signed up. So I can go ahead and copy this token and then get me, I'll paste it here, and then this is to get the user details. So you can see the user details. You can see that the password is not here as well because it's for security purposes. You're not meant to give the user by his password. So if you also want to look for users, right now in we only have one user in our system. So obviously we are looking for users you can't get yourself. So I'll go ahead and create a new user. But before I create a new user, I'll use this. No, I'll go ahead and use. Okay, yeah, let me use this user, this email. So as you can see, I'm not signed in. Let me use this one. So I can go ahead and open this Gmail. So this account is Daniel Retreat Center. So let me go ahead and copy this Gmail and use it. So I can copy this. I can paste this here. Same password. Let me use Jane Doe. Let me use here Jenny. and then female, and then I can go ahead and sign her up. Okay, OTP sent to mail. So I can go ahead and see that OTP has been sent. Hi Jane, to complete. So I copy the OTP and go ahead and verify it. So I have to verify the account. Then the email address. So this is successful. If the OTP wasn't correct, it's going to say invalid OTP. So yeah, so I'll go ahead now, and this token that is here is still the token from the user, the first user I signed up. So you can see if I send get me, it gets Joshua Ozakolo. But if I now want to look for other users, once I click this, you find out that the last user, Jane Doe, has also come up here. So also, if I want to create an event, I can go ahead and create an event. This is what the body of the event looks like. Summer Music Festival, Central Park, New York City, the date, and then the time, the description of the event. So I'll go ahead and copy this. Most time this is meant to be done automatically in the environment, but I did not set it, so that's why I have to do it manually. So let me go ahead and create this event. So this event has been created successfully. People attending zero, people not attending zero. So I can come here and click on get all events. Oh, I have to change to a valid token. This an event. If I want to book attendance for this event, I'll go ahead and copy the event ID. You can see if the event doesn't exist, it's going to throw an error. Event not found. So I've booked attendance. So as you can see, people attending is now one. If I try to do it again, it's going to give me you have already marked attendance. So that's for that. So I'm going to enter into go ahead and save all these changes into the chat aspect because that's the most important aspect. So let's click on new HTTP request WebSockets because our chat is going to be done by WebSockets. So this is our URL. Now it is socket. So if I try to connect, it's disconnected. You see, it's not working. So for me to be able to connect, I'll have to set a token in the header. This token is my token for this user. So you can only connect as a logged in user. So as you can see, I'm connected here. Let me go ahead and log in as the latest user so I can get a token as well. So this is the latest token, so I can create a new WebSocket request. Socket.io. So I can go ahead, come here, token. This is for our new user. So I can copy this. That's it. And try and connect, and then it's connected successfully. So in our code, I'll have to look up the events. So we have an event here called chat. So I'll have to be listening for this event. So I'll come here, add event listener, chat. So you can see it's listening to chat. So I can come here and then go to chat, create chat. So um so let me still use this. So I'm going to chat. So who is the receiver of the chat? The receiver of the chat is going to be the second user I just created. And then let me say hello there. So I can copy this and get the ID. To get the ID, okay, there's no need. I can do this, get users. Yeah, I can take the ID of Jane. So I take the ID of Jane and paste it here. And then let's keep notes of this is Jane. She's listening. You can see with her token, she's listening. So if I hit it and come here, you can see that Jane has received our message through sockets. Hello there delivered. So this is just a brief roundup of our API.